If your green fan wire is bad, you can substitute another conductor in the cable to restore fan control without replacing the entire cable. Start by turning off power at the furnace or air handler switch and at the circuit breaker to eliminate any shock risk. Open the thermostat cover and the furnace or air handler access panel to access both ends of the cable so you can work methodically. Identify a spare conductor in the same cable jacket, such as brown or another unused colored wire, and verify it is continuous between the thermostat location and the control board using a simple continuity tester or a battery and small bulb, if you do not have a tester. At the thermostat end, loosen the terminal screw on the green fan terminal and remove the old green conductor from the terminal. Then wrap and tighten the spare conductor under that same terminal screw, so the spare now occupies the fan terminal there. At the control board end, locate the fan relay or fan terminal labeled G and disconnect the green conductor and attach the spare wire to that same G terminal, securing it properly with the terminal screw. Label both ends of the new conductor with tape and the word fan so future workers know the substitution. Then restore power and test by setting the thermostat fan to on and observing the blower operation. A common mistake is failing to shut off power before working, which risks injury and equipment damage, so always shut off the breaker and furnace switch and confirm power is off. Another frequent issue is choosing a wire that is not continuous between ends, so verify continuity before making permanent connections to avoid miswiring and wasted effort. People often forget to update labeling, which leads to confusion later. Mark the substitute conductor clearly at both ends and note the change in any installation documentation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips about projects like wiring tricks and thermostat swaps. We help contractors list services and find work, while homeowners find help and advice from peers and professionals.